And welcome back. Sandals South Coast joined Boys Town as the relegated teams from this season's Red Strap Premier League after Humble Lion hammered Cavalier FC 5-1 on Sunday. Corey Hilton had opened the scoring in the 17th minute. Andrew Vanzi and Levon Williams joined in the party with double strikes. Alex Marshall got a consolation for Cavalier. The result pushed Humble Lion to 36 points and into 9th position, while Waterhouse, who are on 35 points in 10th place, cannot be surpassed by Sandals on 19 points, who have 5 games to go.
I'm very happy. 3 points is the most important thing, but from season we thrown away some easy goals. Today, we really capitalized on the goal scoring part of our game. And hats off to the guys. I'm really proud of the team, I'm proud of the performance.
Elsewhere on the day, UEFC turned in an inspirational performance to thrash leaders Portmore United 3-0 at the Mona Bowl. Andre Bernal opened the scoring in the 8th minute, and that was doubled with a quarter of an hour to go when Anthony Greenland found the back of the net. Akeem Thenstead capped off a clinical performance for the Marcel Gale team with the team's third at 9 minutes from time.
One thing we must commend the team for is the mentality to keep the composure, still try to go for the goal, still try to play positive, even after being 2-0 up. So wouldn't allow the feelings of the last game to overcome us where we would think now that we would start to panic or anything like that. So we closed out the game very good with a clean sheet and with a commanding performance.
Meanwhile, at the Edward Seaga Sports Complex, visitors Montego Bay United came away with all 3 points courtesy of Leslie St. Fleur's 64th minute strike.
Yeah, I think the first half was an end-to-end game. It looked like more of a straight game, both teams breaking towards goal. But we weren't able to complete the final pass in the first half. And so we kind of abandoned that style on the side. Let's stabilize the midfield, just play a little bit more patiently and compact, and just look for the one. It just looked like it was going to be a game that came down to 1 goal, and fortunately it was ours tonight.
And champions Arnett Gardens tasted defeat for only the 3rd time this season, going down 2-0 to Reno FC at the Froome Sports Complex, while Harbourview continued the demise of Boys Town with a come-from-behind 2-1 win at the Barbican Sports Complex.